Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about portfolio. Basically, if I want to find what is the total funds that I have, I can use this function. So I'm first showing you the documentation page. On the left side, once you click users and if you go to funds, you will come here, and if you click C hash, this is the code that we will get, the get funds function. So essentially what I've done is I've just copied this entire code. So let me show you the code. Again, in program.cs, I am just going to uncomment fund management. And once I come here, this is the actual code. So again, we have put in the client ID and the access token, and we are going to run the t.getFunds, which is this one. And this is the same function that I just showed you. So let's run the code and see how it works. So I'm running the .NET run. And we have got the results. So before we see the results, let's try to understand what all we'll get. So we will get the ID of the fund. It will give us the details of the fund and how much amount is there. So let's look at. So this is the total balance, and I have an equity amount of about 5,000 rupees. Let us check, and you can see it's correct because that's the approximate amount. The utilized amount is about 1.33, and again, that is probably because of an intraday P&L loss that I've done so far. The clear balance is 4998, and as you can see here, the available balance is 4998 here. And then it will tell me the realized profit and loss, which is about 0.27. My collateral, so I don't have any collaterals. I have not done any fund. Okay, so it is showing me the fund transfer. So I did a transfer of 5,000 rupees today, and essentially everything, right? So everything to do with funds, you are getting the information here. And I'm pretty sure if I take a trade here, so let's take a trade. So I'm going to buy this, let's say on an overnight basis. So I bought SBIN, and if I run the code again, it should probably change because now I don't have so much extra amount left. And you can see here that my utilized amount has been increased to 748 and my clear balance had been reduced to 4251. So you can clearly see that all the updated information is getting reflected here. So this is working perfectly. This is, like I said, very important, especially for those who want to take the trade, but before you take the trade, you want to figure out how much funds you have in your account. So that's where you can use this function. So again, thank you for joining. I will be looking for you in the next video.